For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Former Pakistan fast bowler Waqar Younis asked temperamental cricketers Gautam Gambhir and Shahid Afridi to cool down. In an interview with the private channel, Waqar told the former cricketers to end their feud on social media. The former speedster said both cricketers are very temperamental. He added that they need to realize that they are not doing any great service to cricket by fighting with each other on social media. He said that both cricketers need to understand it and sort it out. The banter between Gautam Gambhir and Shahid Afridi has been going on for a while now. I think they both got to be smart, sensible and calm down. It has been going on for way too long. My advice to them is to maybe catch up somewhere around the world and talk it out if you cannot really calm it down. The feud between former India opener Gautam Gambhir and Pakistan's Shahid Afridi is not a new one. It has been going on for a while, in fact since their playing days, both on and off the field as well. Gautam Gambhir and Shahid Afridi have engaged in a heated war of words on social media. Gambhir has slammed Afridi for his comment on Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Waqar Younis expressed his wish to see the resumption of India and Pakistan cricket series. He said he is in favour of playing cricket in bilateral series as it will help to improve the relationship between the two countries. Both India and Pakistan have not played a bilateral series since 2012 to 2013. The last series between the two countries was in 2013 when Pakistan toured India for 2 T20 matches and 3 one-day international matches. After that, there has not been a single bilateral series between the two countries so far. What's to be noted is that India and Pakistan played in ICC-sponsored multinational tournaments like One-Day International World Cups, T20 World Cups and Championships trophies. Recently, India and Pakistan played the 2019 ODI World Cup in England. The former Pakistan bowling coach also said he is against the playing of bilateral series in third countries. Fans of both countries want to see the matches in their native countries rather than neutral countries. I do see Pakistan and India playing bilateral series. I am not sure where though, but I hope it will be either in Pakistan or in India. You don't want to see them playing in some other country because that's where you want to see them. You want to see them playing in their own countries. But I definitely say that in the next few years, I would say Pakistan, India will be playing. Waqar Younis says Indo-Pak series is bigger than any series in the world. It's a huge draw from fans' point of view. He predicted that if the bilateral series between India and Pakistan takes place, then it will be a big hit as both countries are cricket crazy and fans love to watch the match on their home soil.